You've worked so hard for this, especially for them, and in the eye of the storm, even for a moment, everything seems calm. But life doesn't stop, and neither do we. Our team wakes up each day to protect you, what you've built, and who you've built it for. Over the last decade, Varghese Summersett has transformed how criminal cases are handled in North Texas. By bringing Turner Thornton onto our team, we have now set our sights to do the same thing in family law.
Family law is kind of a tricky ordeal. It's one of those things where we get a lot of good folks that are dealing with some of the worst time in their life. And so I think one of the things that I love about my job and that has benefited me most is just kind of being a counselor for someone, helping them through the tough times and working with them through one of the hardest times of their life. Messy divorces and parents that think more about themselves than about the children end up having long-lasting effects for children as they grow up and enter into the world on their own. So one of the things that I try to stress is every decision that you make throughout the process needs to be with your children in mind, even through a tumultuous time like a divorce.
What's unique about Turner is he has a strategy for every case, and it depends on the client and what their needs and desires are. There are cases where his compassion and empathy helps him get results that many other attorneys cannot achieve. And there are certainly cases where the gloves come off and Turner gets excellent results because of the battles he goes to in court.
If you're going through a tough time and you think you may need to talk to an attorney, don't hesitate to pick up the phone. It can be scary, but my job is to help make you feel a little more comfortable and to know that there is a light at the end of the tunnel.